Somebody has no idea how to start a conversation in the first time. It's talk to with everyone. But I wanna share 5 tips in this video. You can get to know, then you start your conversation with everyone. This is a great lesson for your communication skills and communication. You can start your talking with everyone. First time we have hesitation how to talk to somebody. Will talk how what's gonna happen with you. I'm not talking to you, but you talk to is very over and over. But I wanna start a conversation with everyone without hesitation. But the point is one, I think is one, how to start conversation in first time, and which words should I start, which words should I tell to anyone. This lesson only for you, and to start a conversation without hesitation. Take ideas from my channel and take a new channel and new videos, and thanks. So Kisa from Wi-Fi Smart English. So today, how to start conversation, 5 tips. It's ice-breaking tips for in English start a conversation everyone, and take it enjoy for your friends. First time we start your conversation, how to, this point is here, how to start a conversation with everyone. But first time, if you meet first time, you feel hesitation, how much have a knowledge, you should know about everyone. You don't have a good knowledge, if you don't have about everyone, you don't have no any information about your friends, about your new meeters, as your colleague and your friends, new neighborhood, which you have to get knowledge about them. Have to get knowledge about them is how Dutch has knowledge, and how can I start conversation with everyone. First of all, introduce yourself is very ambitious and very obvious talking. If you're most important, introduce yourself, then then you get to know about everyone. You will get about everyone is yourself is that, because he has no idea about you as you don't know about them. Then you have to start a conversation. First of all, introduce yourself, then start your go ahead. My name is Kesa, I am from this, I am from here, and I have done 12th class, I have this, I have had so many regions. You can tell them. You could explain how you know the organizing event is your task. But this will keep the other reasons there, how to get knowledge about everyone. You can get knowledge about everyone without hesitation. Cat is give the compliment. That is give the compliment means you can take his advice everyone about advice there, so you can get know about everyone. Second is one, comment on the sound thing. If you comment on the sound thing, if somebody get to know this, he has got ideas, but he has no ideas how to talk to everyone. But you have to comment on the sound thing everyone. You can comment your shoes is good, you're great, coolie, what's your habit is great, habit is awesome, I like his habit, and you can tell is as well as comment your both are share and face around things. Someone, if you're talking to face, then you can't know about your friends and something or something wrong. Comment on the food your menu, and you know it's the topic with the other person will be able to talk about yourself. To you are in the same place together, all our walls. Or what to tell is a compliment these years. And you get about his food, how do you, which food you like, which type of friends you like. Can you ask such as question, then you can comment on something. Next is one question. Find something in common, even if you think is to know anything about this new person. You actually to know as they are in the same room as you. You can ask so what brings you here, how to find it here. To find is how to why someone is at even your office, how to know the host. To find out is you are know a common friends. To find a common friends, find his mistakes, find is something great lesson in this that you can't get ideas about his friends. Second is one, that was compliment. Give the compliment mean somebody like he, everyone like he, nice talking, nice is a compliment. Give the nice thing, and give the your shoes is great. Where from did you purchase? Where your watch is great. Your belt is great, pant is great. Where from did you purchase this? I like it. Then you can get your conversation in this scenario, and you can talk to till 15 minutes, 50 minutes it is there. And something is because it's there, invite the person to tell you about themselves. Make sure not to be able to comment about sign on. 14 is English to It's a sensitive topic to likely to offend people here. Second one, ask a question. Ask a question to everyone, different questions about his personalities, about his colleagues, about his business, about his plans. Why not is ask 10 persons, talk to they don't know about everyone, where you from. You ask where we're from originally, then you it's me who asking his where what there's one their time, where one is where to live, you're asking this question. And make any first time or conversation easier if the person is polite. Then ask this question in return, which will give you a chance to talk about yourself. Ask questions greatest wish to find a topic you are furthest interested in talking to your friends. And this is a great lesson for you talking to elongate your conversation with everyone. 20 questions here how to give the compliment to everyone. You can ask questions different about his examination, about his life, about his motivation regarding. So 5 tips you could like and you can share with your friends. And I hope you will like this video. I hope you will subscribe also this video. And here I'm your Keshav, and as well as Wifi Smart English will help you totally and keep in touch and give the compliment to me also. So those is about 5 tips, second tips, and main tips I've told you, give you an example for this. So thanks for watching this video. I'm your Sagar Gulistal, and as well as I am your complimented boy, and as well as I'm your Wifi Smart English. And keep learning yourself is there, and keep compliment yourself. Bye.